There are several technology platforms that you will use as an ECTC student. This section of orientation will go over the primary technology that you will use. If you need more in-depth instructions, detailed tutorials are linked on the bottom of this page. You can also visit the computer lab in the Learning Lab or call the 24/7 Student Service Center at 1-855-7-GO-ECTC or 1-855-746-3282. The User Account Center is where you will go to set up your student account or change your password. Click on User Account Center at the top of the ECTC webpage to access this site. If you haven't set up your username and password, you will want to select Set Up User Profile. You will then input your personal information on the next page. Follow the prompts to complete setting up your profile. You will be given your username during this process. Be sure to write that down. Your username will be your first initial, your last name, and a set of numbers. Once you have set up your password, you should be good to go to access the rest of the websites you need. If you forget your password or it expires, you will be able to reset your password in the User Account Center. If you enter your password incorrectly too many times, you will be locked out of your account. You can reset your account through the User Account Center or by calling the Student Service Center at 1-855-7-GO-ECTC. Student Self-Service or PeopleSoft is your administrative web page. Student Self-Service is where you can update contact information, schedule classes, print your schedule, find your advisor's name, view financial aid, check your grades, and much more. Click on Student Self-Service at the top of the ECTC webpage to access this site. Here's an example of what Student Self-Service will look like. The Academics section, which is circled in green on the slide, will show you your class schedule. If you click the drop-down menu titled Other Academic ... you will be able to view your unofficial transcript, grades, and other reports. Click the Search for Classes button to see what courses are available. This is circled in red on the slide. If you have any holds on your account or anything you need to complete, you will see it located in the to-do list, which is circled in yellow on the slide. Finally, you can view your assigned advisor in the Advisor box. This box is circled in purple on the slide. When you scroll down in Student Self-Service, you will see something that looks like this. In the Finances section, you will see your account summary and your tuition bill. To make a payment or sign up for the payment plan, select Make a Payment, which is circled in red. To view your financial aid, accept decline awards, and to fill out your financial aid release form, select the appropriate link under Financial Aid. This area is circled in green. At the bottom of the page is your personal information. If you move or change your phone number, you can update this information in User Preferences, which is circled in purple on the slide. As mentioned in the Compliance section of orientation, only you have a right to access your academic record. However, if you wish to give a parent, spouse, or another individual access to your academic record, you can by filling out a Consent to Release FERPA information form in Student Self-Service. You will need to establish a password for each individual with permission to access your record. They will need to provide this password to discuss your record. If you would like to restrict FERPA information, you will follow this same procedure. A more detailed tutorial on how to fill out the Consent to Release form is linked on this page. It is imperative that you check your KCTCS email every day. To access your email, select the email link at the top of the ECTC webpage and then select Go to your email. Use your password and username to log in. Here's an example of what an email box will look like. There are many features you can take advantage of, such as calendars, SharePoint, and free Office 365. Email is the primary method of communication for ECTC. Offices such as Financial Aid and the Records Office will use email to notify you about your account. Often, instructors will use email to send out announcements and other important information. Use good email practices. Check your email every day. Open and read any email from ECTC. Use proper grammar and punctuation. Do not type in all caps. Use profanity and type in text shorthand. Be professional and courteous. Blackboard is the website you will use to access online classes and any online component of an in-person class. You may use Blackboard to access course content, submit assignments, track grades, participate in discussion boards, and take tests. To access Blackboard, visit our website and click Blackboard on the top right. Here are a few videos to help you navigate Blackboard more easily.
Tests can be placed anywhere in a course. In this course, tests are located in their own area. You are notified when tests are available and due in My Blackboard's updates. Your instructor may also let you know about the tests through a course announcement, the calendar, email, or a course message. Let's access a test from the calendar. Tests with due dates are linked so you can jump directly to your test. Read the test instructions carefully to find out if the test is timed, whether or not it submits automatically when the time is up, if you are allowed to save and resume later, and if you can retake it. Let's start the test. Do not refresh the page, close the window, or click the browser's back button while taking a test. If you encounter problems while taking a test, contact your instructor right away. Not all tests are timed. If the test is timed, the timer starts once you click Begin. Warnings appear when half the time, 5 minutes, 1 minute, and 30 seconds remain. Answer all of the questions. Your answers save automatically, or you can manually click Save Answer. Blackboard keeps track of the questions you have completed so that you don't miss any. After answering the questions, save and submit. If your instructor permits, you can save all answers, exit the test without submitting, and return to finish it later. For timed tests, it is important to know that if you save your answers and exit the test without submitting, the timer continues to run. Let's save and submit. Click OK. The test is now successfully submitted. Click OK to view your test results. Your instructor decides how much information appears here and when your grade is available. You can also check your score in My Grades. Tests with manually graded questions, such as essays, are not available until your instructor grades those questions. Assignments can be placed anywhere in a course. Your instructor will let you know where assignments are located. In this course, assignments are located in their own course area in the course menu. You can also access assignments from the calendar. Assignment due dates are linked so you can jump directly to your assignment. Instructors include the instructions, due date, points possible, and file attachments that you need. Be sure to read all instructions carefully to ensure you successfully complete the assignment. Your instructor may include a rubric. To submit work, you can attach a file or type your submission directly in the assignment tool. For this example, we will download and edit a file for the assignment. First, download the file the instructor attached to the assignment. The pop-up window options vary depending on your browser. The file may be saved to your Downloads folder, saved to a folder you specify, or be opened directly from the pop-up window. Let's select Open File. Edit the downloaded file and complete the assignment. When you are done editing, save the file to your computer. Use the Save As function in the program you are using to view and edit the file. Specify a location that is easy to find later. Click Browse My Computer to locate your saved file and upload your revised file back to the Assignments page in Blackboard. Your uploaded assignment file appears in the Assignment Submission area. You can edit the link title if needed. You can provide additional information for your assignment using the text editor, or add comments for the instructor to read. If you choose to save as draft, you can edit it further before submitting. Now, submit the assignment. Your instructor is notified automatically that your assignment is ready to be graded. If you submit the wrong file or forget to attach a file, contact your instructor so they can reset your attempt. A message appears at the top of the screen indicating that your assignment is complete and your submission displays. After the assignment is graded, this page displays the grade, feedback, and file attachments that the instructor included. You can see your graded assignment by accessing the assignment from the course area where your instructor has made it available, the assignment's calendar item, and My Grades, which is available in My Blackboard or within your course. Click View Attempt to see feedback and details.
Access discussions by clicking a link in a content area or in the course menu. A discussion board contains several forums created by the course instructor to organize conversation topics. Within each forum, instructors and students, if they are allowed, create threads. A thread includes an original post and all of its replies. The main discussion board page provides a global view of all forums. You can search for posts, see how many posts are in each forum, and jump to a collection of unread posts. Select a forum to view its threads. On the forum page, you can change how threads are displayed. To start interacting, you can create a new thread, which means you create the first post for others to reply to. Students do not see this button if the instructor has not allowed student thread creation for this forum. Alternatively, click an existing thread's title to view its posts and reply to them. You can expand or collapse all posts. If you like to start with all posts collapsed, you can expand them one at a time. Point just below a post subject line and click Expand. When you point to the thread page, the search and refresh buttons appear at the top. You'll want to refresh the thread page to see posts that were submitted since you accessed the page. The number of posts displays at the top of the thread. Clicking the unread number displays only unread posts. Expanded posts are marked as read automatically as you scroll down the page. Click the indicator to manually change the post status. You can also flag posts that you want to review again later or mark as important. To perform actions on a group of posts, select the check boxes and choose from the Message Actions menu at the top of the page. You can mark as read, flag, or collect posts to view them on one page and then filter or print the list. When you point to a post, the reply, quote, and email author functions appear. For instructors, the edit and delete functions are also available. Students can edit or delete their own posts only if the instructor has enabled those settings. Click Reply to contribute to the discussion. The content editor enables you to format text, embed media, and attach files. A reply to the initial post appears at the bottom of the list. If you reply to a subsequent post, your post appears indented beneath the message you are replying to. Point to the age of the post to view its creation date and its number of views. If the instructor enabled the rating feature for the forum, you can see the average rating for a post. When you point to the rating area, it changes to show your rating. You can also give the post a new rating.
You can access your grades from 3 areas in Blackboard. You can see your grades for all the courses you are enrolled in from the My Grades link on the My Institution tab. You can also access your grades from the My Grades link in the Blackboard Global navigation. You can sort your grades by date or course. When you are inside a course, you can view the grades for that course only. On the course menu, click the My Grades link or click Tools and select My Grades. Your grades for the course appear in the content frame. You can view your total grade to date for the course, along with graded items, items you have submitted for a grade, and upcoming items you need to submit. A green checkmark means you completed the item, but it will not be graded, such as a survey. A yellow exclamation mark means you submitted the item. This item is waiting to be reviewed by your instructor. A pie icon means you have an attempt in progress or saved as a draft. A dashed circle means this grade is exempted for you. If you do not complete this assignment, it will not affect your grade. A red exclamation mark means an error occurred and you should contact your instructor. A dash means no information is available. For a graded item, click the Comments link to read your instructor's feedback. Click the Description link for more information about an item. You can view your work by clicking the title of the item. To begin, access the Send Email tool. You have the option to send email to all users in your course, to all groups, to different user roles, or to selected users or groups. Send the email to selected users. Choose your recipients in the Available to Select box and move them to the Selected Item box. Hold down the Control key on a PC or the Command key on a Mac to select multiple users. Type the subject of your email. Then compose your message. You have the option to add attachments. Now submit. A notice will appear that indicates the email was successfully sent. The email is sent to the recipient's email address that is registered in Blackboard. The recipient can then read their email using the regular email program.
Just remember, if you have problems navigating Blackboard or any of the websites, you can talk to your instructors, visit the Learning Lab and talk with computer specialists, view the Blackboard tutorial videos linked on this page, or call 1-855-746-3282. Get critical information as soon as possible through Snap Alerts. ECTC will use Snap to send out messages about weather alerts, school closings and delays, and campus danger. You will automatically receive Snap notices to your KCTCS email. However, you can also sign up for text and phone call alerts by going to www.kctcs.edu/snap. Finally, stay connected with ECTC through social media. For Twitter and Instagram, follow @eTownCTC. And on Facebook, you can like us at www.facebook.com/ElizabethTownCTC.